What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Like I promised, today we are at the Houston Boat Show. So I'm just going to take y'all along. Hopefully we can get some good boat tours in. I will leave chapters down below so you can check out if there's a boat that you want to look at. You can check it out, fast forward there. If not, we're just going to do a quick walkthrough, show you displays, show you what the show has to offer, and like I said, hopefully get on some boats. Anyways, let's go take a look. Look at this Invincible. It's $1.2 million. What a boat. What a boat. Alright, so we just made it in, and unfortunately since COVID, they've combined the Houston Boat Show with the auto show, which makes for kind of a confusing crowd because the cars are not allowed to sell. You can't actually buy a car here, but you can buy the boats. So, you know, some people do come to the show and buy boats, while other people come to the show to look at cars. Makes for a tough crowd, especially for the boat guys. Anyways, if you want to see the car show, leave a comment down below. Maybe we can come back and take a look. But we're mainly here for the boats because that's what this channel focuses on. The boat show used to take this entire convention center. It's kind of sad to see what's happened to it. But yeah, now it's only half. So let's go walk down there and take a look at these. Twin 600 outboards. That is crazy. Never seen anything like it. If you didn't know, the industry is moving away from inboard motors. Excuse me. Moving away from inboard motors and mainly going to outboards or diesel inboards. I've even seen some diesel outboards. So industry is definitely changing. All right, so we're going to take a look at this 325 GTO first. They are asking $625 for it. So. Good Lord, look at this console. Yeah. Take a look down here. Okay. So you do get a little bit of a cabin forward V-berth here.
Oh yeah, works fine.
Aft berthing back here.
It's the first generation.
And take a look at the head. Wow. Very nice. Beautiful boat. I don't really see an entertainment system, but you do have mini fridge there. Looks like your panel here. Ooh. Magnet on there. And TV there. Beautiful, beautiful. It's good. Walk around and take a look at the outside. This one has an outdoor kitchen area, mini fridge, stove. Nice walk around. It's kind of the way that all these newer boats are going. There's Bruce Jarman himself, owner operator of Jarman Yacht Sales. You got a pitch for this? You want to?
That's my first time on it. Nice boat.
It is very nice. Nice JL audio speakers there. Access to your anchor locker. Whew. Let's keep looking around. All right, so I was wrong. This isn't a Galeon. It is a cruiser's yacht, 420 or 42 GLS outboards. So look at these outboards. That is crazy. Cool part is these don't actually turn. Just the bottom of the outboards turn. Nice lounge seats facing aft. Beautiful. Nice wraparound seating here with the table.
34 feet, depending upon.
Outdoor entertainment center.
Yeah, I've seen the big one in the middle 84 by. Yeah.
Step down into the cabin, kind of the same layout as that Galeon we just looked at. Forward V-berth. Looks like this flips up into a table, obviously. Aft berthing back here. Taking a look inside. Nice head, nothing we haven't seen before, but the finish on it is beautiful. Mini fridge, microwave. Poker head in the aft berthing, and there is TV. Lay down bed. All right, let's take a, oh, look at that. Bar stools for the outdoor kitchen area. We'll walk up front. Nice wide walk around with tile gunnels all the way through. Nice large forward V-berth. Or bow, I should say. I don't know why I said forward V-berth. Nice, plenty wraparound seating on the bow. This boat is beautiful, especially 42 feet, tons of space, both inside and out. 377 LXF, asking just about $1 million for this boat. Wow. Doing this on a new camera, so bear with me. Oh, what is that? Wireless charger, pretty cool. Electric throttles. Look up here. Dual displays with a backup camera. Sorry, it's tough to tell where this thing is facing. We'll get the hang of it. We'll get the hang of it. This little storage box. Some wide walkways. Show you. We've got the awning up top. Bow seating with a nice fill-in.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Got a nice walk down here. Nice little berthing. Doing a little extended stay offshore trip. Nice head. $1 million for this thing. Not bad. Not bad for $1 million. Got some aft face seating. I'm sure you can kind of swap this out with probably a bait station. Oh, they got a kitchen back here, or a prep space back here. I don't know how to open any of it, and I don't want to mess it up. People are watching me. Fish tank live well. Has triple Mercs on it. I can't see what size they are, but we can go around back and look. Oh, triple 400s, so it's light on fuel for sure. Rod holders all the way upright. Quite a bit of room for on the transom there. Let's keep looking. Going to get up in this one. It's a little bow rider, 270 surf. I mean, this was what a Sunsport used to be. They want $250,000 for this. That is insane. Boat prices have gone crazy. The best. Do a quick walk around of it. It's a beautiful boat, no doubt. Got another one right here, but $250,000 for a bow rider. That's crazy to me. That is insane. So, if you're looking for a bow rider, I got plenty. Check our website. And let's put you in one. All right, so this is an Invincible 37 Catamaran. They're asking $850 for it. This is Ron Hoover over here. Quite a few Ron Hoover locations. So, if you are interested in this one, just take a look. Nice sea deck.
We're in a situation where
you know, if you have a casual $850 to drop, this thing is beautiful.
It was a little long run back in. On back end, we probably get on there for 25.
Going around. This is inside the console. Little AccuFlush head. Wow. Wow. When I get off this thing, I'll do a quick walk around so you can see the outside. I know we were going to get on this, but look at that. Look at all the space on this thing. Absolutely beautiful. If you have a cool 850, be a perfect charter boat. Look at all these rod holders here. Nice wide walk around. Joystick steering. Huge displays. Pretty cool boat. Got freshwater rinse down here. I'm assuming raw water rinse down here. Yep. Wow. Do these lift up? They sure do. Got storage under these. I'm too scared to open them. I don't want to break something. It's got quad 400s on it. So this thing is no slouch in the water, that's for sure. Here's all of Ron Hoover's locations, so maybe they have one near you. Oh, this thing is on a trailer too. How crazy is that? Look how big this thing is. It's also got step hole on it, so I'm sure this thing can get up and scoot. Beautiful. I like the color too. Let me know in the comments if you like the color. Beautiful boat. So I'm not a huge wakeboard guy. I've done it. I dabble, but these Malibus are really like the Lamborghinis of wakeboarding boats. I mean, look how beautiful this boat is. If you're wondering how much, $269. So not far off from that bow rider that Marine Max has, that Sea Ray. But look at it. I'm going to try to just show it to you without hopping in it. So I think I'll have to take my shoes off, and I don't want to do that. But look at this interior. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. This is a colorway I think I'd go with. But they have a couple more. We'll go look. I also like that blue. The white is nice, but I don't think the white would play nice in Clear Lake, which is where we're at. Absolutely beautiful. They're only asking $189 for this one. This blue is real nice. I don't know if I love that trim right there. Let me know in the comments if you like it, but other than that, I like the blue. What is that, pink? Salmon? What would you call that? Take a look at the interior. Beautiful boats. All digital display. Water ballast to control the wake. Awesome, awesome. Let's keep going. We're kind of running out of big things to shoot. It's just wakeboard boats, pontoons, bow riders, center consoles. Let's go catch up with my dad and Frank. Nice pontoon boat, $35,000. Now this is where it's at if you have a family. Party barge here. It's got a little Yamaha 90 on there. Not going to be doing any wakeboarding or anything behind it, but it would be a fun party barge. Go out on the lake, have some drinks, play in the water. $35, not too bad. Not too bad. Good lake boat. Here's the outside of that pontoon we just took a look at. It's a Bennington. I don't know a ton about pontoons, but I know they're a lot of fun. Look at this as we're walking out. They got the OG Batmobile. So that was going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this walkthrough of the boat show. It's kind of sad to see what it is now compared to what it used to be. COVID ruined the boat show, but it was still a good show. I enjoyed walking through it, and I hope y'all did too. We got some good footage. If there's any of the boats that you want to see more in depth, let me know down below, and I'm able to reach out to these guys and do some more walkthroughs. I do have a video of a Valhalla coming out. It's a beautiful boat. That should come out Wednesday or Thursday of this coming up week. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thank you to everybody who watched. I will see y'all in the next one, and take care.